Previously on David Brand New.
We're going to be converting this into an electric chopper bike.
Oh my God, that is pretty. We just put the electric XP motor ram on this bike.
And let's twist that throttle.
Woo! What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David Brand New, back with another video for you. Well, would you look what we have here, guys? Check out this absolute beauty. Now, I know she looks slightly different from the last time you guys saw her, and that's because your boy added a couple things to the bike, and now I can officially say that she's ready to be roding. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you guys what we did to the bike since the last video, and then we're gonna take it on its official test ride. Before we do that, I need you guys to do one thing. I need you guys to hit that like button one time for your boy. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You don't wanna miss out on any of these banger videos. All right, let's get into the joint. So the first thing that was a must that we needed to change on this bike were the handlebars. Here's the stock handlebars, and the way they were just super low, and it just didn't fit with my body type. You know, your boy is 6'4". I'm a freaking giant, okay? I look like freaking Kareem Abdul-Jabbar riding a kid's bike. We ended up going with the ape hanger joints, way more comfortable, and it was super easy to transfer everything over. The only hiccup that we came across is that this brake lever, well, actually the brake cable wasn't long enough to be mounted up here, so I had to go to the local bike shop and get a longer brake cable. That way we can relocate it up top. So now everything looks nice and clean. And then speaking of clean, we added a controller bag. Got this off of Amazon, super cheap, and I used this on a couple of my DIY builds. But the cool thing about this is that it cleans up everything nice and neat. So inside the bag is the controller, as well as all the extra cables and wires, and it just makes it look super neat. I mean, look at it. It just looks like a little storage bag that you have on your bike, right? But moving over to the other side, we have disc brakes. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, but this bike came stock with the V brake. I'm personally not a fan of those, and to be honest, they just weren't working very well. When we did get them dialed in, and you hit the brake really hard, it'd make like this loud noise, and it was just super annoying. So I wanted to figure out a way to get a disc brake on there, but the problem that we had is that this bike doesn't have the mounting points to put the brake caliper. What we ended up doing was ordering a kind of like a universal adapter, where it essentially adds the mounting points to your bike. That way you can mount the caliper, and then you can run a disc brake on your bike. It essentially mounts to your axle as well as grips your frame, but it just looked clunky, so we didn't use those parts. We literally just used the mounting point. We mounted it to the axle, and then we drilled a hole in the frame and mounted it there as well. So now we can mount the brake caliper on there. And then also, to kill two birds with one stone, this brake caliper mount actually acts as a torque arm as well. That essentially is everything that we've added to the bike since the last video. So with that being said, I think it's time to take this puppy for a little spin. But before we do, your boy needs to get the proper gear, so just give me 1 second, all right? Hey, yo, Paulie, stop procrastinating. Bring your butt over here and work on this e-chopper. Now, I'm not playing with you. This is the last time. So what I think we're gonna do is we're gonna take it down to Old Town. It's like the old part of Temecula. And I think that's where the, you know, the demographic that would appreciate this bike, I think that's where they're gonna be located. So we're gonna take it down there, see if we can put some smiles on people's faces, you know, and just enjoy the ride, man. Oh, man. I freaking love this thing. Hey, who didn't say that the e-chopper couldn't go off-road though? You guys want me to go off that little jump? Hold on. I mean, I know this isn't a BMX bike or a mountain bike, but should we go off the little jump? I mean, I think we should. We'll just cruise right over it, you know? Just take it nice and slow. Nothing crazy. Yes. Okay. All right, let's continue. Let's go ahead and do a top speed run, see how fast this bike is. On the electric XP, it was like 31 miles per hour. Let's see. Yeah, it's about the same. It's like 30 miles per hour. All right, so it looks like we have some e-bikers ahead of us. We'll see if we can get alongside of them. See if we can get a reaction out of these people, huh? Let's see. Hey, nice ride. Huh? Yeah. I just built it. Yeah. All right, so those people like the e-chopper. They liked it. They liked it. A lot of people think that I'm actually riding a motorcycle. I can tell by the way cars ride around me. They think this is like a real motorcycle. So they're like giving me a little bit more space, which is super cool. They're probably wondering why I'm riding in a freaking bike lane. I feel like since, you know, we got her up and running how we want her to, I think she deserves a name, guys. So feel free to leave a comment down below and let me know a sweet name that we can call this bike, all right? So far, this bike is riding very smooth, not gonna lie. It has zero suspension, but because of the fat tire in the back, it smooths it out a little bit. As far as handling goes, it's a little like jerky. I definitely couldn't ride this bike with no hands. Because the front tire is like a regular size tire, like it's thin. And then when you have a fat tire on the back, it just throws things off a little bit. I don't know. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think or why the handling could be a little bit off. So we're riding on the sidewalk right now, and I'm sure it looks super crazy because people are like, why is this chopper riding on the sidewalk? Where's the police officer when you need him? Well, guys, this is technically a bicycle because I got pedals. All right, guys, we've officially made it to Old Town on our e-chopper. We should run into a lot of guys on motorcycles. Let's see if we can get the stamp of approval from them. It's electric. It's electric. It's not gas. Yeah. What do you think?
Cool, man.
You cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I just built it.
Did you?
Yeah. We got a motorcycle club, and we got our e-chopper here. We're gonna park it next to this Harley Davidson. Let's see if it fits in with the crowd. We got all the bikes lined up, right? We got this one right here. And then we got that one, big one. And then it comes down to this bad boy here. Check her out, guys. Oh my freaking God, look at that. Wow. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Does it fit in? Can I join the gang? This is futuristic, dude. This is 2050, man. That's the e-chopper. Like I said before, let's give her a name. Leave a comment down below. Let's name the bike. I think she deserves it, you know? The people out here loved her. So we're gonna go ahead and take her back home, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and until the next one, deuces like that. Hey. Hey, Paulie, we're working on a new bill here. No. Hey, Paulie, we're working on a new... He always be like, here you go. Hey, Paulie. Oh, shit, what's going on?
You want me to hold it? Are we coming?
Yeah.